Ganda dito. Oo, 5 star. Table for 2.
For 2 person. Mati sila ano? Diyan. Nadala kami sa makalan. Hindi ko naubos. Ayan yung kaninang inaano-ano natin. Ko alam ko lang.
Ay! Sorry. Ayan, pasyal-pasyal. I know, right? Ang ganda nyo dyan! Hi guys! So for today's video, mamamasyal tayo. And nandito tayo ngayon sa tapat ng Nirmala Hotel. And meron siyang katabing supermarket. So let's go! Bibili tayo ng sunscreen. Okay! So for today guys, mamamasyal lang tayo. This is our special day. Wow! Special! And dorong! Let's look for a sunscreen. Ayan. So, this is yan yung mga common naman yung mga brand na nandito. But, I'm not sure sa sunscreen. So, kailangan natin is medyo mataas yung SPF dahil we will be going to the beach. Charot. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko makita. Putik. Asan ba? We have there, sunscreen and for face. For face, yes, sunscreen. Yes, with high SPF, like that. So this is 50. Okay, you have higher like 100 like that. You have no. Okay, how about this one? Brighten up your complexion. And this one, so it's also the same. Okay. Okay, so I'll get 2. How much? Okay. I'll use card. The brand, it's Insta 360. Insta, not GoPro. Okay, thank you. Hi. Baligtad pa. Okay, so wala pa rin yung kasama namin. Nagme-makeup pa kasi yung isa. Ano ba naman yan? Pupunta na nga sa dagat, nagme-makeup pa. Charot. Wala pa rin. Ang galing. Palakpakan kaya tayo bigla.
Pagdating natin sa...
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Thank you. What Philippine word is thank you?
Salamat. Salamat.
Selamat.
Salamat.
Oh, in Bali, in Indonesia, selamat is mean like selamat datang, like welcome, like this. Selamat ulang tahun and happy birthday, like this. Selamat is make like talk about the do something what they do. This is last thing. Like it?
Yes. Oh my gosh, clear yung harapan. Ang ganda.